Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable speaking for FaceTime Automatic Prominence on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down and then tap on FaceTime. Next, we scroll down and then go to the Automatic Prominence section and then tap on Speaking. Tap on the toggle button to switch this feature off or turn it on. Now say it here, during group FaceTime calls, the tile of the person speaking will automatically become larger to make them stand out so that you can quickly recognize who is speaking. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.